Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. I didn't know this was going to happen, but one of my neighbors was kind enough to come over and drop off some cuttings of sugarcane. Yeah, so all I did was I dug about 1.5 feet down into the ground and put the root side down into the ground there. And the way you know is because the top side looks like that. It's got little leaflets left on it. So I did that in this understory test location. I've been wanting to do sugarcane for a while now. I just really never took the time to get around to it, or really had the time for that matter. Second location is going to be right here out in full sun. So we got 2 tests going on at exactly the same time with sugarcane. It should do well, but we'll see. We're going to find out together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out quite a bit. Have a good day.